We're gonna add a channel drain right here, put some concrete over there. Stay tuned, see what happens. Yep, just got it cut. Look at that. All the way down. Let's try to get it out. Wish me luck. We got all the concrete out. Turns out a little too small. We gotta trim some back. I also gotta dig down like 4 or 5 inches. Put some pipe in. No biggie, I suppose. We got the channel drain put in. You see that? With a pipe running underneath from the gutter. Yeah, I had to dig down like 8 inches. Called in the cavalry. See? All the way up. Yeah, like it up because you know it's nice.